Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both displays and selecting how you want them to behave. Verify connections and power. Once done, update GPU drivers to avoid hiccups. Make sure you choose Extended Desktop if you want independent screens, or enable Horizontal Span/Infinity/Surround if you need one large canvas. You should also install vendor utilities, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA control panels, because they expose the spanning options. This initial step prevents resolution mismatches and keeps scaling consistent across screens. Now you configure the layout and resolution so the system treats both panels as a single surface. In display settings, drag monitors into the correct left-right order and set matching resolutions. This makes the cursor move predictably across the seam. Open your GPU control panel to activate spanning modes, Surround, Infinity, or Mosaic, and set bezel correction if available to fix visual offset. Make sure refresh rates match. Once configured, test with a full-screen image or video to confirm continuity. Finish by fine-tuning scaling and testing real applications to ensure the two monitors behave as one. Run a full-screen app and inspect seams. If you see jumps or black bars, check cables and confirm both displays share the same refresh rate. If spanning options disappear, reinstall or roll back drivers and try different ports or adapters. As a safeguard, save a display profile so you can quickly restore settings. If all else fails, switch back to Extended Desktop to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.